Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss something about meditation. Meditation is a basic spiritual practice for quieting the mind and getting in touch with your deeper self, the spirit. Meditation provides a deeper appreciation of the interrelatedness of all things and the part of each person plays. The simple rules of this game are honestly with yourself about where you are in your life and learning and listening to hear how it is. Meditation is a way to listening more deeply, so you hear how it is all from a more profound place. Meditation enhances your insight, reveals your true nature, and brings your inner peace. A meditation practice is extremely useful in clearing stuff away and letting you see how your mind keeps creating your universe. The ego will keep you occupied with its endless storyline of thought of forms. Just keep watching them until they dissolve. Regularly practicing meditation, even when you don't feel like it, will help you see how your thoughts impose limits and color your existence. Resistance to meditation are your mental prisons in miniature. Transcendental meditation, loving kindness meditation, body scan or progressive relaxation, mindfulness meditation, breath awareness meditation, Kundalini yoga, Zen meditation. These are the 7 best ways to meditate. Today, let us start with breath awareness meditation. Breath awareness meditation begins by bringing your awareness to the back of your head, the back of your neck, and to your right and left shoulder. Take a slow breath in and out through your nostrils, and on the exhale, allow your shoulders to calm down and release. Do this for few breaths. Exhale slowly through your mouth. As you blow air out, purse your lips slightly, but keep your jaws relaxed. Repeat this breathing exercise. Do it for several minutes until you start to feel better. Okay friends, let us wind up this session with 478 breathing technique. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 8. This is one breath. Repeat this exercise for a couple of minutes. Open your eyes slowly and you are done. So guys, we are winding up our first meditation session. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this video for the first time, please like and subscribe. Help us grow. Me myself, Safi Muhammad. Thank you so much.